Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today in this video we'll see how to check your demerit points on your NT license. So if you have a license that you want to check how many demerit points I have got, then this video will help you. So first go to the Google and check for the demerit points on the online. Then you will come to this website and click on start now and read the terms and condition and then click on I agree, then continue and fill your NT license number, a license card number, and MBR customer ID number. Then you can check your demerit point here. Lucky I don't have any demerit points. So if you reach 12 demerit points on open driver license, then your license will be suspended, or 5 or more in Lauren license. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.